Hello and welcome to The English We Speak. I'm Neil.
Hello, everyone. I'm Helen.
I saw you looking at a travel magazine earlier. Are you thinking about a holiday?
Yes, I've actually booked a holiday in the Amazon rainforest.
Really? That sounds amazing. When are you going?
In a month's time. I'm really looking forward to it. Have you been there?
Not to the rainforest, but I've visited Brazil with my friends. It's a beautiful country. Can you speak Portuguese?
No, not at all. I was hoping English is enough.
If you're visiting the big cities, you can get by with English, but out of the cities, it's good to know a bit of Portuguese and about the local culture.
Oh dear, I'm hopeless with languages. They're so difficult to master and take years to learn. I don't have years. I've got weeks to sort out my adventure.
Don't worry, you can go on a crash course.
What course?
A language crash course. When you're on a crash course, you learn about something in a very short period of time.
But will it work for me?
Well, that depends on your learning ability. I think you'd master the basics without any trouble. Here are a few more examples of crash courses on offer.
Peter applied to train as a teacher, but he had to complete a compulsory crash course in maths first.
Alison did a crash course in French before her trip to Paris.
I booked Nathan on a video editing crash course, so we've got at least one person who can operate the camera.
Julie took a crash course in cooking to prepare for her wedding.
Can you recommend a Portuguese crash course for me?
Just have a look online, there's loads of them. Some of them are free.
Perfect. Thanks, Neil.